Good morning, first graders. It's Monday, and this week in first grade, we are going to talk about cooking. So I found a fun thing on Amazon, and I'm going to go through it real quick, and maybe it'll inspire you in the kitchen this week. It says, little minds have big ideas. You don't need a tall white hat or a fancy restaurant to be a great cook. You already have everything you need. Your brain and your amazing senses. Remember your senses? Let's go through the 5 of them. You have your sight, you have your hearing, you have your taste, you have your touch, and you have your smell. Those are all good qualities in a cook. There are some curious questions as well. It says cooking is so much more fun when you experiment. You're scientists, kitchen scientists. Here are some questions to ask yourself as you cook. How does my food look, feel, smell, sound, and taste? It takes it right back to those 5 senses. And that's what you could write about in your journal. So you can cook, and then before you have dessert, you can write about what you cooked and what you ate and all those things, how it smelled, how it looked, how it tasted, how it felt. What changes do you notice in the food when you follow the recipes? Why do you think the ingredients change as you cook? Let's think about that. Like a crunchy carrot. Once you cook it, does it stay crunchy? There are also things like broccoli, that it's very crunchy and very bright green, and then after you cook it, is it as bright? Is it as crunchy? And then you think of chicken. If you're making chicken, it starts out pink and fleshy, and when you cook it, it goes white and it's more meaty. So I want you to think about those things when you are cooking, when you are eating, and why does that happen? Because there is a change when you cook something, right? How can I make my food taste better? That's a great final question. So after you eat, write your response. How does it look? How does it taste? How does it feel? Does it sound a certain way when you're cooking it? And then how can I make it taste better so that next time I make that recipe, it's even tastier? And those are things you can write down and share with me. I can't wait to see what you're doing in the kitchen this week. Surprise me. Have a fun week in the kitchen. I know you're all going to send me great pictures of your meals or your snacks.